How to turn off color inversion or inverted colors on your Samsung phone with Android 15 or 16. So the first thing you can always try when this happens is holding down the volume keys of your Samsung phone, both up and down. Hold them down together at the same time and hold it for 3 seconds and see if that works. If that doesn't work and you're still getting these color inverted here, then go ahead now into the quick access like this here and tap on the settings option and simply just type in the words color inversion, this option right there. Now you'll go ahead and tap on it and it'll show you this as a suggestion, and then go into it and you'll see that it's showing you where to go next. And now you can simply turn it off. Okay, and your colors are all back to normal. Now, before you just simply leave it off, make sure the shortcut is turned off. And also, if your shortcut is currently enabled, let's say it's turned on like this here, make sure these two options are unchecked, because these may be the reasons why you might have accidentally pressed the buttons down and enabled your color inversion. And of course, after you're done unchecking or untoggling all of them, just go ahead and turn off your color inversion option. All right, and one more last way to check to see if you might have turned it on and you just don't want to go through all that. Sometimes, and the reason why I left this for last is sometimes it may be there in this area here. If you have used it once or twice before in the past, you might have toggled the option for the quick access here. All right, and that's basically it for this guide. Like and sub.